Today I'm going to be teaching you about dimensional analysis. So we're going to some practice problems in order to for us to master it. So how many seconds are there in a year? So first of all, what we're going to do is put 1 year as our given, and then we're going to think about how many days are there in a year. So there is approximately 365 days in a year. So therefore, we're going to do it as the way as a year cancel. Okay, now, so right now, what we're going to do is think how many days, how many hours are there in a day. So there's 1 day in a 24 hours, and then there's 1 hour in 1 hour there's 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So as we can see here, we have the unit of seconds. So we're going to stop it there. And then as we can see, we can cancel year, days, hours, and minutes. So now using our calculator, multiplying all the numerator and dividing it by 1, it is going to have, we have 31,536,000 seconds in a year. So that's how many seconds are there in a year. It's too much, right? Okay, now let's convert 30 feet per second into miles per hour. So first step, we're going to plug in our given, and then next is we're going to put 60 seconds. We're going to convert seconds into hours, but first we're going to find out how many seconds are there in a minute, and then how many minutes are there in hours, and then we're going to put it in such a way that minutes will cancel, those units will cancel. So we're going to multiply this by 5,280 feet to 1 mile, so we can get the unit miles. We can cancel the seconds, we can cancel the minute, we can cancel feet here. So using our calculator, multiplying 30 times 60 times 60 and dividing it by 5,280, we will get 20.45 miles per hour. So this is it. So that's how you can convert 30 feet per second into miles per hour. The ratio of boys to girls in a certain classroom is 4 to 5. If there are 36 boys, how many girls are there in the class? So to solve this problem, we're going to use the given 4 to 5. So we have boy sub 1 and it is equals to 4. And let's say G is for girls. We have G sub 1 is equals to 5. So we have B sub 2, which is 36. And we still doesn't know it if there's 36 boys, how many girls are there. So we have a given ratio here, it's 4 to 5. We can write it as 4 over 5 or B1 over G1, and it is equals to B sub 2 over G2. G sub 2. Okay, now we can just plug in all of our givens. So we have 4, 5, and then B sub 2 is going to be 36, and G sub 2, that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to cross multiply it. So 36 times 5, we're just going to put it in this way. And we are going to simplify it later. And then we have 4G sub 2. Now, what is 36 times 5? So let's use our head. So 6 times 5 is 30. We have an imaginary 3 there, and we got 18. So we got 180. And we got this. Okay, now. So we're going to use long division. We got 4, 16. We have 2 and 1. Oops, I did put 1. Why did I put 1? Should be 0. Okay. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we're going to put 5 there. So we got 45 as our answer. So if there are 36 boys, then there will be 45 girls because of the ratio of 4 to 5. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you learned something, and goodbye.